Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial about submitting your assignments on Canvas. To begin, we are in our course's module area and looking at a specific module that has an assignment we want to submit. To access that assignment, we'll find it in the module and click on its name. This will open a new page where you can see the instructions for the assignment, a rubric if attached, and at the bottom you may see some other buttons of things that you can do to submit. Your instructor may have different options selected, so make sure you read the instructions for how you're supposed to submit the assignment. If your instructor wants you to submit a text assignment, you'll click on this box that says text, and then write your response. This text option will also be used if you need to submit, say, a YuJa assignment that has a video or file attached, or say your assignment requires you to submit multiple things such as a Word document, a PDF, and then also maybe a video. You would use this text box area to attach all of those files using this document upload option, or if you already have the files in YuJa, you can use YuJa. We'll have a different video that goes over using YuJa to submit your assignments. If your instructor happens to only need you to upload a Word document or something like that for an essay, you'll click on this upload box instead. And in there, you'll see the option to drag a file here or click to upload. If you have a different type of file that you've already uploaded as well, or something that you need to take a photo of with your webcam, you can use these options, but generally you're going to want this side that says to drag a file here or choose a file to upload. When you do that, you can select the file you want, and again, you can drag it into this box or just click on it and open. When you do that, you'll see that it has the name of the assignment in there. If you decided that that's not the one you want, you can click delete and it will remove it out of there. So I do want to add that back in. And if this is all I needed, I would be able to push this submit assignment button. You can attach multiple files this way as well if you need. There are many types of submissions that can be submitted to Canvas, so make sure you look at the button options to see what type of thing you're supposed to submit, and check this more if you need something else. If you have a question on your assignment, look in the top right and you'll see that there is an add comment box that when you click it will let you type a message to your professor and send a comment. Your message can include attaching a file or a video or audio file, and your instructor, when they reply to you, their reply to you will also be found in that box. If this is all I wanted to submit, I can go and push this Submit Assignment button. If you have something in two different areas, it will pop up this error that says only one submission type is allowed. Make sure that you are submitting the version you are supposed to submit. And again, if you need something that is kind of a mixture of text and files, you'll want to use the text option, not this upload area. I'll push OK, and that will prompt the submission to go through, which will, as time goes on, load a preview of what it is that you submitted in there for your uploaded documents. If your assignment only allows one submission, you'll see that grayed out submit assignment button that tells you you've already made your submission. So if you need to do another submission, there's something wrong with your assignment, you'll want to reach out to your professor. Again, you can do that through add comment or your inbox or just emailing them. In just a moment, I'll show you what it looks like if it has multiple attempts allowed. Alright, if your assignment allows multiple attempts, at the bottom instead of that submit, you'll see this try again button, which when you click it will allow you to do an additional attempt. So again, for example, we'll say yes on that, because that will pull up what I was writing before. If you have something that you need to add in there, say we wanted to add that document in here instead because we needed to add some text in addition, we can attach that, submit, and you'll see the link to that document embedded right in there. Something else to note is that your drafts will automatically be saved in Canvas. If you leave and come back, it will load that information again, as we saw where it was asking if I wanted to load its previously loaded content. Alright, if I am good with attempt 2, I could click submit assignment, or if I did this on accident, I could click cancel attempt 2. I'll go ahead and submit it though so you can see the difference. When it's submitted, you'll see that it has that document linked right there, and I can click on it to see a preview of what I submitted as opposed to how it looked during attempt 1, where it was automatically in that preview mode. That should hopefully help you get started on submitting your assignments in Canvas. If you have any questions, please reach out to cidt@se.edu. Thank you.